Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to install Waka TV to a smart TV. So let's start. All the steps you can find on wakatv.co.za. So let's start. If you download, you can find that it says welcome to Waka TV, and well, it says the app is only compatible with the following Android devices, TV box, and well, it says not smart TV. So you can do it and accept the plan that you want to, and how you can start or how you can install it. So you have to install the app on your TV device. So you have to go to Play Store and download the app downloader by FT News. So then go to settings, security and restrictions, and then enable apps from unknown sources. The step number 3 is open the loader by FT News and type wakatv.net, or you can write the 664118 to install the app. So this is the video how to do it. It's very easy to do. So now you can play and start watching this about how to install. So if you want to download on mobile version, on Android TV, TV box, or TV stick. So now you can download, for example, an Android box in, you can check that it says that it's downloading, and then you can find it. So if you have more questions, you can do it here, and you can check the FAQ. And well, that's it about how to install a Waka TV. As you can see, well, it's not possible on a smart TV, but you can do it on Android TV that it's similar to that one and start watching Waka TV without any problem. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and keep like to this video.